Now to the other breaking news. According to our Adrian Wojnarowski, the Thunder are sending Carmelo Anthony to the Atlanta Hawks, and then the Hawks will buy out Melo and allow him to become a free agent. Remember, Carmelo has a no-trade clause. The trade also involves the Thunder sending a lottery-protected 2022 pick to Atlanta for Dennis Schroder. Last season was Melo's one and only season in OKC, and it was forgettable at best. He averaged 16.2 points per game, the only season in his career in which he averaged fewer than 20 points per. Our Adrian Wojnarowski joins us now. What is next for Carmelo after he is bought out by Atlanta?
Well, the Rockets are the front runner, Nicole, to sign him. He'll be waived. He'll pass through waivers, and he'll be able to sign anywhere he likes. He met with the Rockets and the Miami Heat in Las Vegas last week at Summer League, had permission from the Thunder to do so, but they have not informed any of the teams of a decision yet. But Houston is a strong front runner.
What's the timeline on when this decision could be made next?
Well, once the paperwork is done on the deal, it's filed with the league office. Again, it'd be a 48-hour waiver process, which he'll pass through. And then, after that, he'll be able to formally commit. But it will be in the near future. Houston is enthusiastic about their chances to pair him with his close friend, Chris Paul, and obviously James Harden.
Of course, this all starts with the agreement between the Thunder and Atlanta to make this trade. Why does it work for both teams?
Well, especially for Oklahoma City. Dennis Schroder, to get a starting level NBA point guard, 24 years old, to play, behind Russell Westbrook and at times with Russell Westbrook. They were going to essentially waive and stretch Melo's contract. That would have saved them over $100 million. The way they're doing this, they're still going to save over $75 million, but they get an asset now who can play with them this year. He's got 3 years left on his deal. He's a tradable asset in the future. But Billy Donovan, Sam Presti in Oklahoma City, they want to get faster, quicker, and they've done that with Schroder. Tremendous opportunity for them to improve their roster. And now at Atlanta, with the arrival of Trey Burke and Jeremy Lin, Trae Young from Oklahoma, the 5th overall pick in the draft, this will become Trae Young's team very quickly.
All right, Woj, thank you so much.